Take a look at this. This is the amount of steps it takes to put two windows side by side on a MacBook. Now compare it to this. Think about how much time and nerves the person in the second example saves by not having to constantly fiddle around resizing app windows and moving stuff around on their Mac. Now to make this a reality on your Mac, go to rectangleapp.com, not sponsored, although I wish it was, and simply click download. This app is completely free and also open source, so once the installer downloads, open it up and simply drag the rectangle icon into your applications folder, just like installing any other app. I also have to mention that there's a paid Rectangle Pro version, but I have never tried it because I think the free one works wonders. Now, as you've seen before, this is a really simple, lightweight app which lets you move and resize windows in macOS using either keyboard shortcuts or my favorite, snap areas. In my opinion, one of the most frustrating things when it comes to using your Mac in a productive way is the inability to manage all the window positions efficiently, and Rectangle simply fixes that problem. It has saved me a lot of hours of dragging windows around the screen and trying to align them properly. So the app adds two new ways of snapping windows on your screen, either via drag and drop or keyboard shortcuts. Personally, I never really took the time to learn the keyboard shortcuts, so I only use the dragging functionality, which I think is more than enough. Once you have Rectangle installed, if you drag your window to the right side of the screen, it will snap there and take up half of the space on your monitor. It works the same way when dragging a window to the left, top or bottom of your Mac's screen as well. So it's just like the native split view feature, but with fewer steps and better usability. Rectangle basically mimics app behavior from the Windows operating system, which has the window snapping functionality already built into it. So if you're coming to Mac from the world of Windows, you'll find what this app offers is extremely familiar. So if you want to add a few extra seconds to your day by not having to fiddle around with the default app management system on Mac, I think you should give this app a try. Now, if you're still open-minded about learning something cool, consider watching this next video that YouTube randomly generated for you based on your interests.